Sea of Thieves is a new type of multiplayer game. We call it a shared world game.
It's a cross-play title. You can play on PC or on Xbox.
How do we create something that can scale to millions of players and then keep those players engaged over weeks and months and years?
PlayFab multiplayer servers provides a pool of servers. As the number of players throughout a given day increases, we can pull those servers online in a very short period of time. We try to ensure that players have the lowest latency to the servers as possible. So we deploy into 6 data centers around the world.
We don't want to leave you playing on a server on your own. So this is where our server migration technology really comes in, where you can look at the population of other servers and either move your crew from your server or move another crew from their server onto a server together.
The game client and the game server are written in Unreal Engine, and they are both connected to Azure via WebSockets. So we have a live connection between the game and our services. Azure provides a cluster of servers that we host our services on. The services that provide our server matchmaking functionality, our migration functionality, or our commerce functionality.
Having these separate services, this does allow us to update each service independently without affecting the player experience.
We use everything from Azure data factories to richly and speedily combine data, through to the navigation of data through Power BI and Azure Data Explorer. We're beginning to see a new generation of games that you couldn't execute without the cloud. We've got the ability to update the game and keep on adding new content.
This game would not be possible without Azure.